So if I'm interested in selecting just points, there is a select points option. So on the home tab, I'm going to click select points, and you'll see that I can enter in a point ID. So if I want to pick up 7270, I can enter that in, click apply, and it'll actually pick it up. So I can see it here and select it from the screen, but I can also do it using the selection set. Now if you put a comma in here, I can also pick up 7271, and then a comma, and I'll do 7314, and when I click apply, you'll see that it picks those up as well. Now you can also search for those by feature code. So if I just want all my, my control points that are 60 PNS, and I click apply, then it's going to pick up just those points with that feature code. You can use other attributes, other information. You can see I can go to GPS points or even my occupied points, and I can look and search and select points based off of certain criteria. And then you can add those to a current selection. So a lot of different things you can do. So I can, now that I have that, I can come in here, let's say, and pick on 7315, add it to the current selection, click apply, and you'll see that I've added that point to that group of points that I've selected. So a couple different ways that you can use this to select points within your project.